Maximizing your UK state pension, a guide for expats. Today, we're going to discuss something that's crucial for expatriates. National insurance contributions towards your UK state pension. Firstly, what is a UK state pension? Before we delve into the contributions, let's understand what the UK state pension is. When you are living and working in the UK, a part of your income every single month goes towards your national insurance contributions. This is classed as a state pension contributions, and today this can be as high as £10,600 per year once you reach the retirement age, which currently is 66 years. As an expat, you might wonder how much you need to contribute to ensure you reach the maximum state pension. The answer is 35 years of contributions will result in the full state pension of £10,600 per annum. The good news is that as an expat, you don't take advantage of NHS or the police department, which means that you can qualify for voluntary contributions or class 2, which is going to be roughly £12 per month. Now let's talk about what you can expect in return for your contributions. The UK state pension provides a solid foundation for your retirement income. The maximum amount you can receive as of today, it's £10,600 per annum. However, this is still growing in line with inflation. So by the time you reach retirement, you should be able to get more than this. The other significant part is that even if you haven't reached the full 35 years of contributions, you will still be able to access a part of the state pension. Watch the example to understand how you can calculate yours. Who can qualify for the national insurance state pension? Eligibility is key when it comes to the national insurance contributions. To qualify, you generally need minimum of 10 years contributions. What do you have to do to restart your contributions? Life can take us on exciting journeys, and if you're an expat who wants to restart their national insurance contributions, there are options available to you. You can contact the UK government or go on their website where you can explore ways to fill out the gaps in your contributions and make voluntary payments. Alternatively, you can click the link in the video description or type this in the browser to get instant access to the form and a sample that hopefully will help you. The advantages you have contributing as an expat. Contributing towards your UK state pension as an expat brings several advantages. Firstly, it helps you maintain a strong link to the UK and ensure you have a reliable source of income during retirement. Additionally, your contributions as an expat will be minimal, as you are not taking advantages of services such as NHS, police department, and fire department, etc. Why should you look at this now rather than later? Now, you might be wondering, why is it essential to address this sooner rather than later? The government has decided to stop allowing us to backtrack our contributions into the state pension. Recently, they extended the time frame slightly. However, getting this sorted now and out of the way can have a significant impact on your retirement. That brings us to the end of the guide on national insurance contributions. I hope you found this information useful and inspiring. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share it with your friends.